Good Monday morning, and thanks for logging on to TDSweather.com. I'm meteorologist Joseph Cooper with your Northern Illinois and Southern Wisconsin forecast for today. Out there this morning, we have temperatures that are into the 40s across the area, some upper 30s out into far western portions of the state and down into southern portions of Wisconsin as well. Overall for today, dry day of weather ahead of us here. We'll see quite a bit of sunshine before some clouds move on in here a little bit later on. So working on into the morning hours today, this is as we start to work into 8, going in through 9, 10, 11 o'clock into noon. Any kind of rainfall down to our south. We'll see mostly sunny to sunny skies this morning as we work into lunchtime. And then as we get into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 p.m. this evening, clouds will start to increase, I think, a little bit here late afternoon, probably after 4 to 5 p.m. and then going on into the evening. Now, those may tend to be kind of some high cirrus clouds as opposed to anything real thick, but perhaps some areas of some mid to low level clouds move in from time to time as well. In through the evening into 9, 10, 11 p.m., midnight, 1 a.m., and in through the overnight, dry conditions remain with us as we go through the overnight under mostly clear to maybe some partly cloudy skies. And then as we go into the morning hours tomorrow, we'll start off with mostly sunny skies on Tuesday, but I think clouds pretty quickly increase across the area throughout the day as we go through the morning into 9, 10, 11 a.m. on into noon, 1 o'clock. Your rain falls out to the west. Now, as we go into 2, 3, maybe 4, 5 p.m., a few isolated showers, even stretching out towards Chicago, can't be ruled out. I know this model not really showing that, but certainly the possibility of an isolated shower or sprinkle exists tomorrow afternoon. However, this isn't going to be real significant. I mean, this is maybe enough to wet the ground, and that's just about it. So for Tuesday, we're expecting pretty much completely dry conditions outside of just a very isolated shower or sprinkle. We go into 8, 9, 10 o'clock tomorrow evening. Rainfall remaining out to our west here as this area of low pressure kind of zooms in from the northwest, and that rainfall kind of focused back out to our west as we work in through tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, maybe a few isolated showers overnight into Wednesday morning. And then as we work through the morning hours into lunchtime on Wednesday, you can see we will have strong enough winds that will probably pull in some lake effect showers here through the day on Wednesday. But outside of that, the majority of the rainfall remains down to our south Wednesday afternoon into 3, 4, 5 o'clock. And then into Wednesday evening, depending on exactly where this low pressure out to our east tracks, there may be some showers that kind of spread in on the northwest side of the low Wednesday evening into Wednesday night before they push on off to the east late Wednesday night into Thursday morning. So still some questions on exactly how much rainfall we get. It will depend on the track of that low into the next few days, but notice for most of us here, the model is suggesting less than 1/4 of an inch of rain, even tapering off to less than 1/10 of an inch north of Chicago, back up into Waukegan and into Milwaukee, into southeastern Wisconsin, with far more rainfall as you work into central and southern portions of Illinois. So that low track will be key here into the next couple of days in determining how much rainfall we get. However, right now, it just doesn't look like it's going to add up to a whole lot until you get near and south of I-80. Temperatures for today, they're going to be into the upper 50s to low 60s as you work into more interior portions of the state, but we will be on an east wind at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting to 25. So it's going to be cooler out here for those areas closer to the lake and to the Chicagoland region, where you'll be into the middle to upper 50s. And then as we work on into the overnight hours tonight and into tomorrow morning, low to mid 40s overnight, and then we get into the daytime hours tomorrow and we'll be into the middle to upper 50s for highs in the next 7 days here for Chicago. 56 today and 58 tomorrow. You can see those rain chances moving in, only about a 30 to 40% chance Tuesday into Wednesday, and then we're dry Thursday and Friday, and then more shower chances arrive for the weekend with highs remaining in the low to mid 50s. That's all I have for you here this morning. Thanks for logging on. Have a great day.